while listening to different Christmas music from the Birkenstock store through the wall, just for fun.
Summer has gone and past,
Aloha! Welcome to Lahaina Music.
It's not September.
It's not September anymore. It's December. Yeah. September would be more like, do you remember? Oh, sorry, we need a bass guitar for that. Yeah, you probably figured out the answer. Okay, no, seriously though. Welcome to Lahaina Music. We haven't made a video in a while, so we're going to play a Christmas song. And since we're on Maui, Christmas
Do
song.
Hawaiian style.
Yeah, might as well. Okay, so let's see. Mele Kalikimaka is a thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas to you. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas, to say Merry Christmas to you. Ooh, nice. I like that ending chord. Mele Kalikimaka, come by and see us. Aloha. There you go.